Okay, so the two pictures I am comparing and contrasting is my nurse and I on the left, and then the broken column on the right, both by Frida Kahlo. Starting with my nurse and I, um, this one was just basically how Frida felt a disconnection from her mother since she did have a younger sibling, which her mother would tend to more often than she was. So her family decided to hire uh, a um not I want a nurse to, take care of her because who else is gonna take care of her? Because her mother couldn't. And this nurse, she wasn't the best nurse because she would sometimes drink and she's breastfeeding, so her family didn't like that, so they fired her. But Frida, she felt a disconnect from her mother, and she also felt a disconnect from the nurse. As you can see, the nurse isn't smiling, Frida isn't smiling. They just have a very much dead look on their face. And with with the broken column, you see, Frida's face. She's crying. She has all these nails in her body. Her torso is supported by the column, but it's not really supported because the column is also broken. So the column story behind it is basically how she had an operation on her spine. So, and for a while she was in constant pain with the nails like in her body, like pain with the nails, which left her like not bedridden after the surgery. So that was the straps around her so they could keep it nice and tight. And with Frida, most of her paintings are the same, but these two both have both experienced disconnect and pain, which I feel as if the broken column has a little more pain into it since the fact that, she has these nails and her spine is messed up and stuff like that, rather than the nurse where she just doesn't have that motherly love that she so much wished for. Overall, I feel as if Frida didn't have a good childhood per se, because she was sick when she was a child. Then she doesn't have her mother's love when she's a child. I just feel like her childhood wasn't the best as some people's were.